Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Reggie, here with your weekly outlook video. Congratulations to you folks for last week who have caught some pips with us. There's a lot of movement in the markets. Thank you to everybody for keeping the group informed on exhaustion points on all different time frames. And this week, I just wanted to concentrate on 3 pairs. This is for the week of April 8th through the 13th, so Sunday through Friday. Welcome to all the new team members who have joined WaveTech FX. Welcome, thank you for joining us. So this week we're looking at 3 pairs. We're looking at Canadian Swiss, GBPCAD, and GBPJPY. Alright, so this is kind of how I look at the market. I mean, this is nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I just look at the markets. I identify exhaustion points from one high end to a low end in this case for this pair. So let's go ahead and establish that. So we got an exhaustion point here, and it came down to this point here, and you can see exhaustion came down here, exhaustion, and started to push back up with a deep retracement, and then again pushing back up again. And you can see here we've caught another exhaustion point. All right, now this pair has done making its moves already. So we will be looking at to get in on another sell, an entry on a lower time frame. And I like this setup because I love when retracements hit a specific fib. So I'm not going to get too technical, but this CAD Swiss here pinned the perfect 50%. So we can already assume that this area here from 618 to 50 is going to be a nice little area that we're going to watch out for. Again, go down to your lower time frames and then establish your risk and enter according to how you want to enter, whether if it's aggressive, conservative, or moderate. Alright, so that's one pair. That's CAD Swiss. It's already exhausted and it's pushing its way down already. So entering on the retracement, folks, on a 30-minute or a 15-minute exhaustions. Okay. Next pair, GBPCAD, Pound Canadian. We can see here that 4-hour chart here. This one here is going to be entering on a pullback again as well. You can see that we've been trading exhaustion to exhaustion. So the previous exhaustion was all the way up here, okay, and it's making this rally down. It broke the BMA already, looking to retest. So you can look to enter on a smaller time frame. I just drew some trend lines here, broke the trend line, and right now it's sitting at a nice 38.2 level, almost at that level. So you're gonna watch here as market comes up, maybe Sunday or maybe Monday. Watch this level here closely. It's 32 level, so the 1.80629 area. You can watch for price possibly touch this BMA here. By then the pink will be at the top, giving you a nice re-entry to continue the sell to the downside, and then of course entering aggressive, moderate, or conservative. Alright, so that was GBPCAD. So short GBPCAD, short Canadian Swiss, and of course everybody's favorite GJ. So this had the same kind of movement like Canadian Swiss was doing, and you can see that we're trading from exhaustion point to exhaustion point. I've got one exhaustion point here, and it had this big move to the downside, which caused the exhaustion point here and caused a big move to the upside. So this whole push up here is just a simple retracement of the initial bearish drop. You can see it's already up at here, this area, exhausted. This one here has hit a nice little area as well, the 50% mark, 50.618 mark. You can see here. You can see it wicked out, and then now it's coming back down. Look for more confirmations on the lower time frame as you enter. So that would be my analysis for the week. 3 pairs, CAD Swiss, GBPCAD, and GBPJPY. Of course, there's a lot of other pairs too as well. off of just a 30-minute and 15-minute exhaustions, if you folks want to take a look at those pairs. But these are the three that I want to focus on, which will give us a bigger movement come next week. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Yeah, stay tuned. Hope to see you guys on the charts. Take care, stay blessed.